Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, Derek's driving, so I won't distract him too much, but we are headed to church now. We got some Jamba Juice for breakfast, and yeah, we're just gonna...
I had one of those delicious waffles that only lasted about 2 seconds.
Yes, he got one of the waffles from Jamba Juice if you've never had one of those. And then we're gonna go to church, and then after that we're gonna go to the beach and do some rollerblading and maybe a little bit of bike riding and just enjoy our Sunday. So hope you guys are having a good weekend, and hope you have a wonderful Sunday. And
go watch Black Panther if you haven't.
Yes, go watch Black Panther. We watched it last night. If you watched yesterday's video, then you will know that we did go see Black Panther on
well, technically it'll be today's
Saturday.
video. But...
Well, yeah, but I'm going to put it up today. So this will be up tomorrow, and then it'll be tomorrow's video. Yes, see. Look, talking in the present, in the past. It's kind of a complicated...
It's like talking in the third person president.
Yes, but yeah, so go see Black Panther. It was awesome. We were literally could not stop talking about it last night. I think we talked about it pretty much until we went to bed. So, anyways, well, we'll catch up with you guys a little bit later. Phoenix, say hi. You say hi. Hi.
He's eating a waffle too.
Yeah.
I'm gonna eat his waffle.
He's eating a waffle. Babe, don't eat his waffle. He's gonna eat it.
We'll see.
All right.
You ready? Go.
See? We knew it would be fun, Munchkin.
Woo! Here, let me show you how it's easier. Look.
Maybe he's just like throwing his head around. Wow!
High five. Boop. High five. Boop. Yeah. All right.
Ow.
You went down?
Down.
They're so cute, guys. Oh. No, sailboats. So pretty. Never gets old, babe. This never gets old. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Come here, bud. Come here. So we are renting a bike right now.
Renting a bike.
Yes.
All right.
And there's a guy playing bagpipes. I don't know if you guys can hear him, but there's a guy playing bagpipes. He's gonna put in his little buggy thing. Wheel! I have on early bird, so I'm staying on an invite until my hold on. Say hi, babe.
Vlogging. Hey, if I go faster, I'm just gonna pass you.
We are roller vlogging.
And biking. Can you see the Phoenix? I'll pull up so you can see him.
There he is.
But I wanted something that I'm not going to put a lot of miles on.
Babe doesn't like these over here. She doesn't like the onions, peppers, and all that kind of stuff, so I just keep them separate. She says she just put the cheese and stuff on hers.
Yeah.
Because she don't like stuff fancy. She just likes it.
But we got fajitas going on. We didn't actually grill them, even though we have a grill, but we did just, I don't know.
Pan-fried them.
Pan-fried them.
That's what I did.
Yes.
There you go, babe.
Phoenix.
You got it.
Can you say hi?
Phoenix, say hi.
Not hot. Hi. Say hi.
Babe, I made some of it a little thick so that we'll like it.
Okay.
I gotta cook through
I'm
these
sure it's gonna
things.
taste delicious, babe.
Oh, of course, it always does. But don't mind me. I am very confident about cooking, of all things, and rapping. No, I will not rap for you because the lady would make fun of me. But
I wouldn't make fun of him.
maybe I'll rap for you one day. Maybe on my own blog that I send to my lady. But I have some cooking left to do. So subscribe to all that stuff. Like it. Look down at the bottom, add us on Facebook, Twitter, all those kinds of things. I don't think we have a Twitter. Never mind, don't do that.
I have a Twitter, but you can add me on Twitter, but I probably won't respond. So
But we
Facebook,
won't respond
Instagram.
to it.
Yep. But we're gonna eat. We're gonna watch Ant-Man, and then we are going to just enjoy the rest of our evening. So yeah, like I said, like, subscribe, do all that stuff, and we will catch you guys later.